What's going on, guys? Kyle Berg here. Just wanted to shoot this quick video. It's been a little bit of time since I shot one. Guys, rocking it this week. We're at 192 pips so far for this week. I got a little ambitious with Euro Odd, had an aggressive entry, so I anticipate that to come down a lot and drop, which will be freaking awesome. Guys, this week is awesome, guys. It's already off to an amazing week. We're looking forward to a record setter week this week again. Guys, I don't know who got you in this group. If you're watching this video inside our trading group, definitely get back to whoever got you started. If you are watching this on one of my pages, my Facebook profile or whatnot, hit me up, shoot me a message if you want to know more information about trading, you want to get started to learn how to grow your money. You're definitely in the right place. Guys, our group is insane, and we have had yet a losing month. And yeah, until the next video, guys, you guys stay awesome, and I anticipate this blue number to just continue to climb and climb throughout this week and the next week.